Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. So make a hole in the bottle cap. Now we are going to use this pipe cleaner and make a Christmas tree. Now we are going to put it inside this wire. We are going to decorate it further. We are making this train around it and it's ready. We are going to make snowflake design using earbuds. So place all the earbuds together and paste it using hot glue gun. We are also going to roll this white thread and look, your decor hanging is ready. Cut a small piece of cardboard piece and roll the thread around it like we're doing here. We're going to make Christmas tree here. Similar way, add a bow and look, your hangings are ready. Cut these flower petals, paste all of them together and make flowers. Color them white. Similar way, we are making more flowers. Combine all of them and your hangings are ready. Fold all these green color of pipe cleaners, cut them and paste all of them on this black color of cone using hot glue gun. Similar way, we are going to make more ornaments of Christmas and paste all of them like this and look, it's ready. Cut a small piece of white paper bag, make multiple cut using scissors. After this, we are going to paste all of them in alternate manner. Now we are going to make more such designs and paste all of them one after another and look, your snowflake is ready. Paste all these sticks on this ring. Now take some jute rope and roll it around the sticks, make a cone. Decorate it further. We are putting this fairy light and look, it's ready. Cut small pieces of cardboard. We are going to make a beautiful house. You can perform this activity with your kids. Color it like we are doing here. We are also adding more colors like this. Paste all of them randomly on the house and look, it's ready. We are going to roll this paper, make a cone. After this, we are going to paste it on this base. Now we are going to paste all the cotton balls on the cone using hot glue gun and cover it like this. Add more details and it's ready. Take this white color of yarn, roll it around 2 fingers, cut it. We are going to make 2 such pom-pom balls and look, it's ready. Keep it aside. We are going to paste both of them together, make the head and body of the toy. After this, we are going to make the cap of the toy. So make a ring and tie all these small threads around the ring like this. After this, we are going to cover all of them and put your finger inside it, tie a knot and look, your hat is ready. Put it on the top of the toy, paste it like this, put its eyes like we're doing here. You can also put a muffler and look, your beautiful toy is ready. Take this blue color of square, fold it and paste it using double-sided tape. Again fold it from its sides. You have to open it using your fingers like this and fold it from its corners like we're doing here. After this, we are going to again fold it and paste it using double-sided tape. Now we are going to cut like this and make 6 designs and combine all of them together like we're doing here. Open it and make a circle and look, your design is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.